So guys, I just came across this viral trend that is going on right now online about how you can use Google Translate to make at least $45 to $50 every 30 minutes. Well, it sounds so strange to me, and one of the craziest thing about it is that many YouTubers has carried around this information, and I don't know how true this is. But in today's video, I'm going to be finding out if you can actually use Google Translate to make this kind of money every 30 minutes. But before I get started, please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you're just a new viewer who's just coming across my channel for the first time. So without wasting much of your time talking too much, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is the website I'm talking about right here. So the name of this website is called Jump Task. Now, as you can see, this is the official website. So you don't need to worry about access to this website. If it's important, I promise you guys I will share it at the end of this video. But for now, I don't think it's important. Now, looking closely on this site and the information they provided about what the site is all about, you can see what they wrote there. Get paid to translate online from anywhere. So if you are fluent in different languages, turn that skill into income. Jump Task lets you find real translation tasks you can do from home for you to actually make money from the website. And the best part for me on this website, according to what they said here, is that you don't need any prior experience for you to get started on this website. You don't need any long setup for you to also get started. All you need is just simple setup and a flexible work that pays you. And according to Jump Task, they got you covered on that. Now, scrolling down a little bit, you can see they are still saying the same thing, which is that their website is reliable and they pay translators to translate information. Now, as you can see, these are the total payout on this website, and these are the total number of users that has registered right on this platform. Now, scrolling up a little bit, you can see the completed payouts right there, and then it keeps going on and on. Now, it's time for us to go back to the main website for us to get started right in this website. But before then, you can see that this website claims that they are legit. Now, but we're going to be finding out by registering on this website. Now, scrolling up to where we started on this website, I'm going to be clicking on Start Earning for me to register right on this website. Now, I'm going to be clicking on the Start Earning tab right there, as you can see there. So, clicking on the Start Earning, I'm going to be using my Google account to register on this website to make it fast. So, I'm going to be clicking on Login with Google and then using one of my Gmail accounts to register right on this website. So that is how easy it is for you to register right on this website. So I'm going to be clicking on continue to continue with the registration. So right now, guys, I've successfully registered right on this platform, and this is the first thing I'm seeing after my registration, which says that I should follow them on X so that I can make 0.01 cents after following them on X. So I'll proceed right now in following them on X to know if I will earn my first token right on this platform. So I'm going to be clicking on the Get Started tab located there, and then I'll click on Link located next to Link Your X account. So I'm going to be clicking on the Link tab so that I can continue with following them on X. So right now I don't have any X accounts, so I will register one for me to follow them. This is actually my first time of getting an X account, so I'm going to be using the shortcut to sign up for an X account. So once I'm done signing up for an X account, I will just follow them. So I'm going to be doing this one fast. In case you don't know how to sign up for an X account, which is formerly known as Twitter, it's very simple and clear. So I don't want to start teaching it in this video. All I need is just to sign up for an X account and then continue with what I'm doing. So that's all I want to do right on this platform. So I'm almost done with signing up for an X account. So once I'm done, I will just follow them and then continue with what I'm doing. So that's simple as ABC. So I'm going to be following everything right there. So once I'm done with this, then I will go back right on the platform. So I'm done with what I'm doing right here. So right now, this is what you're going to be seeing once you are done with the first stage, which is following them on X. So which is the major platform after registration. Now, for what I'm seeing right here, these are the various tasks you're going to be performing right on this platform before you can be able to earn money. And from the look of things, there are a lot you can actually do right on this website for you to actually earn money, aside from translating to earn money, which you haven't seen yet. But from the look of things, you can actually play games to earn money, you can actually follow brands online to earn money, and you can also watch videos online to earn money. So these are the things you're going to be doing right on this website for you to earn money. So all of them are right on this website. You're going to be trying out few of them to know the one that actually works, including the translation that made us to come to this website, because I think this is where the translation tax is. I think it's Google Translation or something like that. But we're going to be finding out whatever it is that we're going to be translating right on this website for you to earn money. So let's continue with what we are doing right on this website. So moving into the leaderboard right here. So these are the top 50 earners right on this website. So you can see them. The first one is $37, second one 37, third one 37, fourth one 16, and the list keeps going on and on. So these are the top earning people right on this platform, and the list always changes every week. So that's it. Now let's get back to watching the videos and then trying to earn money from this website to see how it works. So right now I'm going to be scrolling back to where I'm going to be watching videos to earn money. So this is it. I'm going to be clicking on one of the videos and then follow the instruction to start watching videos right on this platform. So I'm going to be clicking on I've read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on start task to start immediately. So this is actually the video they told me to go and watch right on YouTube. So the title of the video is Best Bluetooth Speaker of 2025. So this is the video right here, and I'm done watching this video. So now that I'm done with the video, the next thing I'm going to be doing is heading back to the platform where we just came out from right now, and then putting the tag that we saw right on the description of that video, like I'm doing right now. So the tag that I actually saw there when I played the video was Bluetooth speakers. So that's the tag I'm going to be putting here right now, and then clicking on submit for me to submit it after I'm done putting the tag. So right now I've successfully completed one task, which is watching of videos, like you guys have seen it right there. So going back to my dashboard, my earning dashboard, this is actually my earnings right there. You can see I'm still at 0.1 cent. So what it means is that the only money that has been updated right on this my dashboard is the money of me connecting my platform, my X platform, to this particular platform. So the money of these tasks that I just completed recently has not been updated right on this dashboard. I think from what I'm seeing right here, it takes a little while for your money to be updated right on your earning dashboard. So while we are waiting for the money of the tasks that I just performed recently to be updated right on my dashboard, on my earning dashboard, I'm going to be heading back again to the tax page of this website in order to try out another way of making money, which is the Google Translate method right on this platform, which is also basically the reason why we are here. So heading back to the tax page of this platform right here. So right now I'm going to scroll down a little bit to find Google related tasks right here, because I think that is the only place you can actually use Google Translate to perform any task. So right now I'm going to be scrolling to where I'm going to be finding Google task. So I think I've seen two of it also. I'm going to be clicking on one. So right now this is actually the task right here, and this is basically the instruction there. So you can see the instruction right there already, and the instruction, as you can see, is comprehensive. The task is all about you getting a keyword that they tell you to get, and then search it on Google. Before you search it, you can actually place it on Google Translate to know what it is, because some of their keywords are mostly Swedish, Spanish, and some other unrelated languages that is not English. So you get it, then you search for the keyword on Google Translate to know the meaning, then search it on Google, and then visit a particular website that they tell you to search, and then get two keywords from the website. So once you get it, you return to this particular page and then enter the keyword right on the blank space provided by this platform, just as we did when we did our watching video task. As simple as that. So this is actually the website right here, the hint of the website that they want you to visit once you are done translating the keyword that they give you right on their website. So let's continue. So in getting started with this particular task, I'm going to be opening a new tab right on my browser, and then visiting Google Translate to translate the keyword that I just gave me. So I'm going to be pasting it right here to see what the meaning is, and the meaning says casino without Swedish license. So now that we've seen the meaning of the word that we're about to use, then I'm going to be opening a new tab again, and then copy it and paste it on the new tab right on my browser again for me to locate the website they told me to visit right away. So I've seen the website. The name of the website is Indian time, so I'm going to be clicking on it for me to find the keyword that they told me to find right on the website. So let's continue with what we are doing. So right now I'm logged in on the website. I'm going to be searching for the two keywords that they told me to search and find on this website, and then copy it and paste on their platform. So I will proceed in searching for the keyword immediately without wasting time. But before then, let me look at the keyword that they told me to find again to know what they are talking about. So I've seen it again. I'm back on the website searching for that particular keyword, those two keywords that they told me to find. So guys, I'm still on the search for what they told me to find on this particular website, and I haven't seen any of them since I started searching it. So right now I'm going to be resorting to using the search bar to search for what I want on this platform to know if I would see any. So this is the first word I'm searching on this platform, which they told me to find, and then find the keyword closest to it. And I haven't seen anything about this particular keyword right here. They say no result found. Then let me search the second keyword to know if I would see something related. So the second keyword is Pele. I'm going to be searching it right now. And as you can see, once again, there is nothing found about this second keyword that I just typed on this platform, which they told me to find. And at this point, I think there is something wrong about this platform that we've been assessing for a long time now. I think there is something wrong about it, but there is only one way to find out. So I'm going to be searching around the web to see what people are actually talking about this particular platform. So right now I'm going to be typing the platform right on my browser and then searching to know what people are really talking about it. So right now I think I've seen something which are reviews on Reddit. So let me check out what people are actually saying right about the jump tax platform on Reddit. So I've seen one genuine review right here, and it says, I've been using this passive income app for at least 2 years now, and I haven't been able to make a single withdrawal. I live in Mexico, and someone told me usage shouldn't be a problem. Also, the achievement that I tried to complete on jump tax doesn't reflect here on Honeygain. Before someone asks, yes, I do. I have jump tax enabled on the dashboard. Also, since October came, my earnings have been lower than ever. On September, I got a media of 51.2 per day, and then at the start of the month, just out of nowhere, they dropped to 0.23, and it seems to be lower and lower the most I get closer to the $20 cap. And my main device is arms, always turned on and sharing. I'm getting tired of this crap. Full stop. So this particular review right here, I think has justified what I observed about this platform. Although that there are so many other reviews right on this platform countering, and the ones are saying almost the same thing this guy said, this review has summed it up. Now the first thing I observed about this platform is that it's not user friendly. And if you read this particular review that is not even the review that I just read, you will understand what I'm saying. It's not user friendly at all. And not just that, they also make it almost impossible for you to earn a single penny right from this platform. Before you even earn a penny, you will have to perform an impossible task. And you know what I mean by impossible task. Just like the one that we actually performed that we did not finish. Those tasks, some of their tasks are, let me say most of their tasks that you need to perform to earn money right from that platform are almost impossible to perform. And that is why I say that there is something fishy about this platform. So you can actually try it out if you still want to try it out. But if you don't want, you are still on a safer side. And that's it. So if you still want money through Google Translate, there are only one way to do that, which is becoming a freelancer. So becoming a freelancer is one of the surest way of which you can actually earn money using Google Translate to translate things for people and companies out there. And for you to get started as a freelancer, all you need to do is to register in some of the freelance websites out there, such as freelance.com, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, People Per Hour, Contra.com. So there are a lot of them out there. All you need to do is to create an account in one, set up your profile and position yourself so that once anybody who needs your translation service comes, they book you and then get you paid for you to do your work of translation. So thanks for watching guys, and see you guys in the next video.